Hello everyone. So my idea for today is to have play with some CD envelopes. Now I coffee dyed these a while ago and thought let's just decorate them up, prep them for our Christmas journals. I was thinking some 5x5 or 6x6 papers would be nice with this. So that's what we're going to go with. I do think I have this. It's supposed to be a coloring book, but I find it's good for things other than coloring. So I just want to see if I can find anything that I would like in the Christmas journal that can be just plain. I think I have one that is about deer. So let's do that one. Now I want to make it the same size to go into an envelope. So that's 5x5. So if I do it a little less than 5, it would work for inside the envelope. So I'm going to do 4 3/4. And 4 3/4. Again, I just thought maybe some black and white, maybe I'll distress it a little, and that type of thing would work perfectly for this inside of this journal. Now I could do it putting it in this way, or I can put it on its side. So I think this one would be great on its side. Now this part is the part that you just glue onto the page. Now you can glue it on to the page this way. So I want to show you the different ways you can glue it onto a page. You can glue it like this, so it's over the page, like that, or you can glue it onto the page itself and make it into a flip. And the same thing, you can make it a top loading, same way. This one I want to do it this way. Now I just want to see if there's any ephemera or anything that would go well with this little theme. Good Tidings. This. And I think there's something else that would work well with that, so I'm going to grab that. A little bit of coffee dyed gauze here. Or actually, I have some of this grass stuff. That would be kind of cool to use. And I mean, I could honestly place it anywhere. So that's kind of like one of them where it's a personal choice. And then I know with this one, I swear there's a page where there is that. Kind of like this piece, kind of naturey looking. Let's add that to it too. I have no idea where that noise or what that noise is coming from upstairs. My apologies if you can hear it. It's kind of subtle, but I can definitely hear it. And then this is a Tim Holtz little tiny piece here that I must not have grabbed, but that's okay. It can work great as a cute little label right there. So there we go, we got that going. Now I think this is too plain at the moment, so I'm going to choose to put get my corners a little bit more subtle. And then I'm going to distress it. Again, I just think this is just a fun, light way. And again, I'm just rubbing a little bit of Distress ink on it, but it also gives somebody a coloring page. I mean, we don't have to be decorating every little tiny thing. It gives them a chance to, if, for example, they see this and they decide they want to write in between these trees, I'd do that. I know, like, from personal experience, that's what I do. Or if I'm using it for a December daily, I may want to stick what day it is somehow, a number in there. So that's why I'm leaving it a little bit plain on the inside. But I still think it's cute. Okay, I have this piece left over, and I'm just thinking to myself here, why don't we use this piece here to create something? You can leave that as scrap. Now, if you don't like this covering here, you can easily glue coffee dyed paper onto the back and no one's gonna know. Yeah, I coffee dye my children's old school pages if I know they're not gonna use it, and I know I can't save every single piece of paper. This is what we do with it. I coffee dye it and reuse it in a completely different way. I think in my to be coffee dyed pile, I have piles of my kids' papers just sitting at the moment, waiting for them to be coffee dyed. That can be saved for a different portion. There we go. Again, great little piece. I think this one I am going to use to go up and down though. And I'm definitely going to decorate it. So I took out some Tim Holtz people that I thought would be interesting on these pieces. Honestly, I like that one on the edge here. It's just cute. So, let's see here. Felt like he was too big, but she was way too small. Maybe something like this, little boy. Yeah, that would work. With a cute little trunk in the background. Maybe? No. Don't like that idea. Okay. This piece. I'm just thinking. So that I have this book page, why not use it? Now, I try to, as you know, use up what I have on hand. I don't like keeping it all, so just overlooking this. Yeah, there ain't much issue. And I am just tearing it down a bit so it ain't so plain. So we stick that there. Stick this piece underneath it, maybe. Or do we want this for here? And then a cute little label right there. I think that's how we're going to do it. So I'm totally going to just stick this off to the side so I don't lose it. And I'm going to start gluing this on. And I totally should have inked this up. There. Okay. With this part, because it's kind of like so straight and narrowed, like I am roughing the edges a little bit with my scissors. Definitely way better like that. I think I'm going to have this crossed here instead of how I was going to do it, though. Actually, I'm going to do it the way I was originally going to do it. I was thinking about it. And yeah, I'm not distressing him. I've learned with Tim Holtz, I don't like the distressing idea.